naddala abali ku level eri abakama parliament LC5 abo nabo tubogedde pepa wanu baya vetting eba technical ddala y'okuddamu kajeje ebibuuzo nga mumanyi otuze tukola mutanakibira mu kimanyi bulungi. Then pepa ey'okubiri tulina baconsultants betufunye, tulina teams zetufunye eziri impartial independent ezijogera ku ground nga tutegedde tuyitaddewo egayidi eraga omuntu bamubuuza badde ekibuuzo obuuza abantu bameka mu kyalo okumanya ani agwani ani asinga obuwagizi wano. Ate kyoza nti bw'osinga eri obuwagizi nti bw'oyita pepa wano ne pepa togiyise olina kuyita pepa zombi, pepa wano eya vetting ne pepa 2 eya ground work. Buli zigatta kufuna max za 100% ng'olangirirwa ngafuna akabeera waffe obubaka bwa parliament LC5 obwa meeya n'ebirala bonna tubategeeza. Abanyama be basebo tubasaba tugoberere enteekateeka eyo ebitundu ebyenjawulo n'eteeketeeke tujja kuba tubategeeza. Mwebale okutuuliriza wabaawo ekibuuzo kyonna kyonna kyemala okubuuza bannamawulire ttiimu eno panel ejja kukiddamu bulungi nga tukulembeddwa madamu chairperson waffe. Mwebale nnyo okutuuliriza mwebale ddala. Yes, BBS.
Ekibuuzo kyembuuza ensonga y'okutabaganya ababeesimbyeko ku kibuga abantu bangi. Osobola okutuwa akakiiko kasobola okutuwako ku update ku bifo bimeka musobola obutabimenya oba okubimenya nga mwagadde n'okutunyonyolako ebifo bimeka bwe mumaze okukkaanya mumaze okukkirizisa abantu abamu okutandika kaweekolekera abalala.
Madam Chair is asking me, Madam Chair is asking that how far we go with the harmonization process and how many teams, for example, have we have got consensus and so on. And every time in Uganda, a harmonization here in Uganda, twagikwasa ba candidates ne ba candidates. Bakiriziganya balina okwetana mu buwandiike nga tunatandika process ya vetting. Then ekyokubiri ye vetting gye twayita party-led vetting, harmonization process. Ezo zikyagenda mu maaso fenga ye mu state tunafuna a report ntongole nga tukisubira in time before the vetting starts. Madam, you could not and then come at once possibly. Because we organized the vetting and the
Yes, sir.
Sematimba bwegire. Sebo.
Bwegire.
Kusomozebwa kiko mukyasinze okusanga okuva exercise eno lwe yatandika mwe nga bakakiiko k'ebyokulonda.
Challenges since we
started in this process, Madam Chair, last week, what is asking? Challenges, kind of show you take a look at the Jala. So, good damage to Chimbo. How it seemed to be. Yes, sir.
Thank you. My name is Lawrence Oku from UBC Radio. The chair said until further notice, she didn't specify the deadline for the process. And in September, we are starting the national nominations. In the first of all, the president and members of parliament. Want it in one way or another affect the mobilization of the party and also in relation to the national calendar.
Okay, thank you very much. Should we respond to that? Yes, sir.
Singa omuntu anaavaayo batakiziganyiza namu twabalabako wano mu by-election z'akawera oli naavaayo ne mukola vetting muteekawo debate abantu ne mulondako mudde mulaba nti asobola oli naavaayo najja neyesimbawo okuba namuyigira ng'ekibiina omuntu oyo anakkirizibwa okusigala nga munnakibiina oba waliwo enkola endala musuubira aba neyesimbawo okuba namuyigira mu kibiina kya
Madam Chair is asking those who may oppose the outcome of the vetting process and the run as independents, what are we to do as a party? Yes, I think we are. Okay, 1, 2, then we close.
Atulabyeko naddala ababadde bali beesimbe ku bifo tugeze ebyawa meeya waba NUP ate ne bakkeeno wansi era ewali bannaabwe nga balaga baharmonizinze eno n'ate najja n'ava ku bwameeya najja ku LC5 ng'ate nawo waliwo abantu nga bana bonna b'enjawulo n'ate n'alaga nti ye bankujje ku bwameeya oba LC5 ne bamuwa direct ne ba MPs kibaddeyo nabero C5 bakudde ku C5 najja ku C3 ngalaga anze bampadde obwero C3 direct kuba nali nasaba obwero C5 ekyo kyekibuzo kyange sinaba madamu kyera kiddemu
ategedde thank you Mr. Chair. Ngara William Muli. Thank you Madam Chair, you are going to respond to him. There was one there.
Ekibuuzo kye mbadde mbuuza nti bakandidenti abo banaaba basobola okuba nga bamanya oli n'abakwate kyekino kyemunange kyansiimiddeko.
Okay, we shall respond. Finally, there was one here. Possibly.
Yes, here.
Oh.
Last. Chanjo, NTV Spark. Nze kyembuuzaako kikwatagana n'omu kye yabuuzizza nti abaana batakkiriziganyizza na vetting yeeno ebivuddemu waliwo emitendera emirala gy'alina okuyitamu okulaba nga yeekulira
kyekumidde ku Map Media TV 1, Map Media TV 2, Transporter Media, Nangeronde Transporter.
I think I didn't even know who asked the certain question, but I'm going to answer your questions. Somebody has asked about harmonization. How many candidates have agreed? Mr. Sebufu had in Uganda, but I'll still respond to you. At the moment, we don't have a specific number, but so far there are candidates who have been harmonized. Like we communicated to you earlier on, we said the first harmonization was candidate-led. I could be with my vice, we have gone for the same position, and then we called somebody. You people were here when the president communicated that team that would be in charge of harmonization, and those are the vice presidents. So it is not PMC that is doing the harmonization. We cannot be the judge at the same time. Just imagine if we did harmonization and telling people that no, leave this position. So it is like an assurance of a card. So there is a team that was handling harmonization. We have been given certain candidates who have harmonized. Of course, we shall not give you the figure at the moment, but there are candidates who have received their applications to have harmonized, their consent letters to have harmonized. And somebody asked about the challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the threats from the security. I think there was a pic of me that went viral when I was trying to hide here, kneeling. You know what happened? We were shot at by security, and you saw what happened. So other people were intimidated. Some of the candidates even feared. Some of them got hospitalized. Some of them were badly injured. So that is one of the challenges that we faced from day one. And they still continue to threaten us. I'm even told I'm wanted. Actually, for what reason, I don't know. So why would they threaten us? We're doing the right thing, and we shall not fear them. Another challenge is the delays by NUP and National Council for Higher Education to verify documents for our candidates. That is why we are here. We were supposed to have closed officially, but because of those delays, now candidates are requesting that we give them a window to fasten the process and have their documents verified. It is very absurd that they are charging highly for them to have their papers verified. How can a candidate be charged 2 million shillings to just have a mere paper or a mere certificate of equivalence given to them? 2 million shillings, almost like the money that is used for nomination. So it is really very bad. That has delayed them, and we have given them that window. Somebody said, Madam Chair said, until further notice. Further notice could even be evening. It could be tomorrow morning. It could be the day after tomorrow. It could be Monday. So if I say further notice, it does not mean it is indefinite. Further notice is also like soon. If I say soon, it could be 1 hour from now. It could be 10 years from now. So if I say soon, it could be tomorrow. So that's why I wanted to leave it at that. But of course it is very soon, and we're urging applicants out there to fasten the process as we wait for them. It is very soon, very, very soon. It could be tomorrow, it could be Monday, but it is the date that we shall communicate. what do we do if some people do not concede the seat and grant us